Hi, I'm Amelia and I'm going to discuss with you how to use a 3-barrel waver. This is a 3-barrel waver. It's basically 2 barrels of a curling iron with a third one in the center, and what that does is that creates a nice S wave. What you want to do is first section the hair off, and you can get these at any beauty supply store. Then you're going to want to use some sort of thermal protectant or curling spray, and that's going to help hold that shape in the hair. Grab the hair, and with the 3-barrel wavers, you really want to use a smaller section. You don't want to grab a big old hunk of hair. I wouldn't use a section any wider than about an inch. Actually, I wouldn't use a section any wider than about a ½ inch. Then you grab the waver, start at the top of the strand, hold it, and then you bring it down to the beginning of the next wave. So that way you don't get any strange crimps. And you continue all the way down to the very end of the strand. And it's okay if you only have the end of the strand poking out. You just don't want like a little fish hook hanging out. And that's how you create a wave. So you do that around the rest of the head. And that creates a nice S-wave shape. You can comb through it if you like to give it more of a wild crimped look, or you can even brush through it and give it a nice soft waved look. Something very reminiscent of the 1940s. And that's how you create a wave with a 3-barrel waver.